All right, here we go. At the Bohemian Hunting Club Research and Development Center, we have developed a new accurate. All right, take two. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. At the Bohemian Hunting Club Research and Development Center, we have came up with a new accuracy test to see on the first shot if it's even worth testing further to see if it's huntable or not. And this accuracy test is, you might wonder, the CHARRO bean accuracy test, or just CHARRO bean accuracy test. Yes, I just did the same thing twice. It's the CHARRO accuracy test, is what I meant to say. So y'all stick around and see if this slug is worth passing the accuracy test of the CHARRO accuracy test, of all accuracy tests. Accuracy test coming to you from the Bohemian Hunting Club. And makers of fine products. Yes, that's right. Makers of fine products, Smoky Oak. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if we can hit the first shot. I doubt it, but we'll try it. Woo! That's some baked beans right there, baby. Wham! There you go. First shot. Or was it? As you can see, we knocked the CHARRO beans off its pedestal. Never get cocky around the Bohemian Hunting Club. Anyways, no, we did it on the first shot. And it blew the beans up. That's how it was sitting. So we went in the side and it blew the side out of the can. I mean, yeah, that is pretty cool. That wrapped around. It didn't wrap around, but anyways, you can see the label was right there. The can was closed up, so it went boom and clean past her in the expansion in the can itself. The beans smell good. But this can was out in the sun, that's why it was shot. It baked in the sun for several days, so I'm not going to eat it. So there you go. And there you are. Nice little hole coming out. So the accuracy, the CHARRO bean accuracy test was a success. So now we're going to move on to other tests like penetration and expansion tests, because now it's worth the time. We tested the grouping of it. Grouping was, you know, for kind of fast shooting, not really taking time, shooting from a real bumpy setup. And the accuracy test here. Now we're moving on to penetration and expansion tests. So stay tuned for the BPS test. I got bean juice on my hands.